allowing us to perform tasks that were once impossible, pushing the boundaries of human capability. Exoskeletons work by using sensors and actuators to mimic and amplify human movements, creating a seamless integration between man and machine. They can assist with lifting heavy objects, walking long distances, and even climbing stairs, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries like construction, manufacturing, and healthcare, enhancing productivity and safety. But the benefits of AI-powered strength augmentation go beyond the workplace, extending into our daily lives and personal well-being. Imagine firefighters equipped with exosuits that allow them to carry heavier equipment and rescue people trapped in dangerous situations, improving emergency response. Or think of the elderly and disabled, who could regain their mobility and independence with the help of AI-assisted devices, enhancing their quality of life. The possibilities are truly limitless as we continue to explore and innovate in the realm of AI-powered exoskeletons.
AI isn't just transforming our physical capabilities, it's also enhancing our minds in ways we never thought possible. Researchers are developing AI systems that can augment our cognitive functions, including memory, attention, and decision-making, making us more efficient and capable. Imagine a world where you never forget a name, an important date, or even a crucial piece of information. AI-powered memory implants could make this a reality, seamlessly integrating with our daily lives. These devices would work by interacting with the brain's hippocampus, the area responsible for forming new memories, ensuring we retain vital information. AI can also help us make better decisions by providing us with data-driven insights. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and insights that humans might miss, offering a new level of understanding. This technology is already being used in fields like finance and healthcare to make more informed decisions, improving outcomes and efficiency.